How you doing, guys? Welcome to the HTML Email Developers YouTube channel. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and also you can purchase my ebooks: How to Become an HTML Email Developer, How to Build Your Email Developer Portfolio, How to Become a Web Editor, Content Editor, and we've just added How to Become an Email Marketing Specialist because I think one of the subscribers mentioned that a lot of the skills and tasks are intertwining with each other as far as how to become email marketing and also HTML development. So you kind of see them. I've seen some jobs with email marketing, and they want you to know how to code emails as well. So here's just another ebook for both. You can learn, email marketing and email development. That way, when they cross, when they cross all these tasks and skills on one position, then you'll know how to do email marketing and HTML coding as well. Let's get into it. This is a content editor, and this website is a pretty good website. I don't know if a lot of people know about it. I stumbled on it months ago. They have a lot of jobs on here as far as email marketing, content editing, WordPress. It's kind of like Creative Circle in a way. If you ever heard of that website. But let's get into the position. It is a content editor, and they're paying between $42 and $46 an hour. Now they say it's supposed to start on this date, but that don't usually happen. This could be here like maybe a month from now. So I wouldn't pay attention to that as well. Let's get into it. And the main functions they're talking about for this position is to track, publish, and update product roadmap content for Azure updates websites, and we'll cover this soon. It says track and maintain Azure update submissions from conception to publishing, including post-publish edits. I don't know if you guys heard of this before. I've heard of it before. Have not used it at all, but I've seen it on several job descriptions. And I looked it up and Googled it for you guys, and it says I guess the main frame of using Azure is it says Azure is also commonly used as a platform for hosting database in the cloud. Microsoft offers uh, serverless relational databases such as Azure SQL, SQL, and non-related database such as NoSQL, NoSQL. In addition, the platform is frequently used for backup and disaster recovery. So I'm going to send you guys a link of a YouTube video. It shows you how to get started with the Azure portal. So it'll give you kind of an idea of the framework and how the software looks on YouTube. But let's continue. Um, Also, it says ensure submissions follow standard process. Just submitting the work that they assign to you, pretty much. Complete a light copy editing pass on each submission. Pretty much, you QCing and making sure everything look good, making sure no typos or errors or whatever before you submit it. Communicate with submitters on status and edits as needed. So you might have to meet with people, just to confirm that everything's is okay. The people that submit you to work, make sure you understand what's going on with it, and it may be some things that there may be an issue or something you don't understand. So you have to communicate with the people that submit it to you and get an understanding of what's going on with the assignment. Work with web and engineering team to submit final Azure update submissions and keep track of monthly quota. So you're just gonna get with a team and pretty much make sure everything looks good. I mean, this it could even be a part of a QC team that checks, checks your work and makes sure everything's okay, everything's good to go before going live, publishing the content live. So that's all that means, pretty much. Partner with engineering team to make suggestions and leverage feature updates to Adobe Experience Manager platforms. So it's just again, you're gonna be meeting with the same team. You know, I like that they have that you can make your own suggestions. You know, and also like I said, just updating everything in a Adobe Experience Manager platform. Because you would have to get with the engineers and just discuss how you guys want to submit the task or any suggestions that need to be done because when working for my position, it was several things that I noticed that needed to be updated or corrected that just didn't make a whole lot of sense, or it wasn't time efficient, as far as production. Monitor and respond to inquiries on Azure service updates editors distribution list. So maybe they have some work in here somewhere that in your spare time, I guess they want you to go in and respond to the inquiries that's on the list. When you're not uploading your content to on live on the website or in the Azure portal. Ability to problem solve and handle ambiguous environments. So you know what that is. I mean, you have to work with people, communicate with people. If there's issues, problems, revisions, or whatever, uh, you just have to, communicate with like project managers or your supervisors, your managers, and come up with solutions to solve that problem. Qualifications, yeah, they say this is what it is, but nah. No, this does helps, but you don't have to have, a bachelor's degree. No. No. 3 to 5 years experience required as a digital web editor, um, producer with a global technology company. Mm, yeah, and familiar with cloud and product technology. Um, and you say this, I'm like, I mean, first of all, it's not a lot of big global technologies companies out there like that. To be honest, in my opinion, so I disregard that. It's good to have this experience right here, but that's about it. I would disregard that because that would disqualify a whole lot of people if that's the case. Um, Highly organized and detail oriented project manager. So I guess they are expecting you to have some type of project manager. Not I wouldn't say experience, but uh, I guess they want you to present as a project manager, and maybe those are the skills that they want you to portray. I guess if I'm trying to understand that right. Um, Excellent writing, editing, and communication skills. Writing, when they say writing, I don't know. I see some content editor job descriptions. They are wanting you to know how to write. So then I see a lot of them that they just want you to look at the content, make sure everything looks perfect, no typos, no errors, make sure everything's good, follow the directions as far as uploading the content, and that's about it. But some content editor jobs, they want you to have writing skills and sometimes sales copy skills as well. Comfortable working with Office products, Word, Excel, PPT, etc. Critical thinking and problem solving skills. Experience with AEM. So again, the job is paying between $42 and $46 an hour. It says compensation is based on several factors, including but not limited to education, relevant work experience, relevant certifications, and locations. So yeah, guys, this is pretty much it. You could come down here and apply, but I will leave this link as well uh, in the description below. Again, it's a content editor position. Paying pretty good for content editor positions because I've seen some content editor positions paying like maybe $20. So it's probably for a pretty relevant and nice size company. They don't say who it is, but if they were to call you, they will let you know who the company is, pretty much. But Again, guys, it's content editor position. I'm gonna keep trying to bring you guys more um, jobs in HTML, email developer jobs, because, like I said, it's not that many out there like it was about 2 years ago. Again, I was getting interviews like 3 times a week for like maybe a month and a half for email developer positions about 2 years ago. So that is not the case these days. So I'm trying to get find other positions for you guys. Content editor. We got HTML email developer, and then I got email marketing now. So if you guys have any other positions that you want me to try to cover as far as reviewing job descriptions, let me know. But again, um, here are the ebooks that I have, and they're only $9.99. And again, just created this one right here. So this email marketing specialist will help you go a long way if you learn that in HTML, uh, you know, email developer as well. Okay, guys, I appreciate the time. Again, please like, comment, share this at HTML Developer YouTube channel. Peace.